Hello, hello, hello from Morgantown, West Virginia. This is Nick. I wanted to drop by and give you this video and let you know about something. Have you ever noticed that sometimes when something good is going on to you, or you've done something good, and you share your experience on social media, email, whatever kind of media that you use to communicate with people, let them know something nice happened to you, something good happened to you, or something positive happened to you, or just you just simply woke up that day or every day and you post something positive. You always got that one person that's going to post something negative, some kind of smart aleck comment, because they themselves are miserable and they want you to be miserable with them. So what do? How do you respond? You don't. You know why? Because if you do, then you're just as bad as they are. And not only that, but you're wasting your energy. It takes twice as much energy to do something negative than it does to do something positive. Because you're sitting there arguing with this person, not only makes you look bad, but it makes them look bad as well. They look bad first, but then you look bad for arguing with them. So the best thing to do is just to let them go. Let them be. And what do you do with that post if it's on one of your posts or on whatever social media platform you happen to be on? Nothing. Just leave it on, because it makes them look bad, not you. And if you don't respond to that kind of negativity, and then you just respond by doing more positive things, then it makes you look better. And it makes you happier, and you don't waste energy for nothing. Rather than doing that, why don't you take that energy that you were going to spend in engaging with that person and use it for something positive, something good, something for your friends, for an organization, whatever it is that makes you happy. Use it towards a positive manner, because if you don't, then it's going to consume you, it's going to eat at you, and it's just going to make you a total wreck. So I've learned that over the years, because I used to be a person that liked to engage, but I learned that if you just don't engage with them, then it's the end. They've got nothing else to argue about. They can say whatever they want. They've got nothing else to say. You're not wasting your energy. See, I work from home. I do internet marketing. So if you want to learn more of what we do, and if you'd like to get some more positive content, go to my website, freedomlifebusiness.com, and opt in and receive some daily positive emails from me. And if you'd also do me another favor and subscribe and give me a comment, what I'll do is I'll do my best, if you have any questions, to answer any kind of questions you have to the best of my abilities as soon as I can. So I will see you on the other side, and remember, always go for your dreams and make it a great day. Talk to you soon.